Welcome guys, good morning, good evening, good afternoon from wherever you are at. My name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav, and welcome to another video. I'm definitely going to talk to you about cryptocurrency in this video because I think that it's really important with all the, let's say, FUD that's going around, all the bad news and all the talk about this and that and how it is not the right thing to get into, just losing its momentum as it had at the end of last year. I think it's really important to hit certain factors that even though there is not much, let's say, information or hype going around, which we don't need in the cryptocurrency space, to be honest. The hype is just a gravy on a dry piece of meat or something like that, It's not really the meat and potatoes of the industry. So guys, don't worry about it. I'm going to show you how you can in a downtrending market, okay, in a bear market, how can you still make something with Bitcoin? How can you still utilize the skills that you're using to trade cryptocurrencies, get a profit in cryptocurrencies, and what it does take for everyone. But before I get into everything, I'm going to go on my Facebook. I am on CoinMarketCap, but I'm going to go on Facebook and I'm going to read out a disclaimer for you because I'm going to talk about icoinpro. But it's very important that I put out this disclaimer because I'm not guaranteeing you anything, guys. I'm not telling you that what you're going to get, what you're not going to get, but it is about trading. And if you have been on my channel and you know about me, then you'll definitely know that I talk about there are 3 legitimate ways to earn cryptocurrency in any way, shape, or form. And these 3 ways are purchasing or buying and selling of goods for the cryptocurrency, trading, and mining. And that's it. Anybody who tells you extra or things can be developed around these elements, but this is the fundamental way to go ahead and earn with cryptocurrency online. You will see new cryptocurrencies come up, and they will have mining options, they will have trading options, etc. So trading is one of the biggest ways, and I trade on a day-to-day basis, but not big trades, guys. I don't do the big fancy $1,000 to $2,000 trades and stuff like that. No, I focus on the daily trades and daily profits that I can make. If I can make a profit in each trade, that is my focus. Okay, that is my focus, and that's why it's called a micro profit trade. Okay, so I just want to say icoinpro and its traders provide an informational service only and are not responsible for any investments made applying this information. The results described are not typical and not guarantees of any future income. An investment contains risk and is 100% the responsibility of the investor to assess and risk the rewards or risks that are involved. It is possible to lose some or all of your investment. We assume no liability, or any kind of liability is assumed or implied for your application of the information shared from the training programs. So how are you going to make a profit, in cryptocurrency when there's a bear market? Let me quickly go to the CoinMarketCap. Okay, just give me a second. Let me quickly go to CoinMarketCap. Just need a second, guys. Okay, so I want to go quickly to CoinMarketCap because I want to show you a little bit how lovely the market is looking this morning. When I say lovely, it is not at its all-time high, no, but it's all green because we've been having a downtrending market over the last few days, so now things are going up. And in an uptrending market like this, for yesterday and today maybe, it's easier for us to profit, right? That's the mentality that people have when it comes to trading. However, in a bear trending market as well, it is possible, guys. It is possible. You have to focus more on what it is that you're in for, what it is that you want to trade, firstly, and you'll start to see a big growth. Now, I don't want this video to be too long because I want to really talk about mainly the reason why I got into trading. It's a skill set, guys. It's a skill set more than anything else that you can use no matter what. So I do have a product which is called icoinpro. It's a membership site which gives you educational and training platform. So it's a yearly membership or a monthly membership or a 6-month membership, depending on you. In fact, you can find the details all if you click the link on learn how to trade here. In the description, you'll find exactly what it is that the micro profit system is calling. So the main flagship product is we teach how you can make these micro profits on an uptrending market. So for example, or a downtrending market. So for example, if I click on the cryptocurrency market, the Bitcoin market, just to give you an idea, and I just click on charts, okay, you can see that, let's put just yesterday, okay, let's put 1 day so that it becomes clearer for us to understand. Great. So as you can see, it goes up and down, up and down, up and down throughout the day, right? So what we do is we make those, so for example, if it's going down, we wait for it to go down a bit. And right here on the dip is where we trade. And then we make a small profit here, get out of the trade. Again, small profit here, get out of the trade. 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 So we're slowly but steadily increasing our cryptocurrency just by hitting these small profits. Now, you can take the chance and know the future or predict the future and be a one of these crazy people, which I don't suggest to do, because I am focused on really hitting my results on a day-to-day basis. If I can make a certain consistent amount every single day, which is what is happening, right? Then for me, it's worth it. For me, it's worth it. I wouldn't wait for a month if I can make $100 a day, right? And with the micro profit system, if you do that many trades, it is possible. Okay, these are possibilities. Whether it's going to happen to you, like I said in my disclaimer, it completely depends on you. It's an investment, even in yourself. Education in terms of trading and getting hands-on experience. The membership platform is such that you not only get, well, it's not really only a membership platform. It has all the education possible. Like if I just go to icoinpro training, I just want to show you guys. It has basic, okay, basic training. It has advanced training. It has all the tools, and this is the beauty. This is the micro profit system. And if you see, the micro profit system has 2 models: buy the squeeze, buy the dip, and RSI rider. Okay, and these 3 are the most, let's say, highly effective ways of using the cryptocurrency market. So you would go on Poloniex or Bittrex or whichever market exchange that you're on. You can use that to then generate more trades on a day-to-day basis. So we have 3 methods. One is buy the squeeze, buy the dip, which is when it's dipping like this, and what you would do in a bear market that we are in, I would say, at the moment, right? You don't know when it's going to go up, you don't know when it's going to go down, so you use the dips and start getting your profit on that, because you're buying it at a sale and you're selling it higher, so you're definitely getting more than what you had. You have to start thinking about it that way. So this is what you can do in a bear market, guys. I'm giving you guys some tips in terms of trading, but I want to tell you that if you click on the link below and find out exactly what the micro profit system, you'll get to know the information that I use and many others on a day-to-day basis. I want to just quickly go to maybe the this is my Facebook. You can see my trades are right here. Okay, there were just 3 trades, and this is end of February, but because I'm on the page right now. But if I just quickly go to Justin, which is the Justin Clark, which is one of the co-founders of icoinpro and micro profit system, you can see this is yesterday, guys, March 13th. Okay, March 12th. Great. These are results from everyday people every day making the results that they need. So these are videos. And if I scroll down further, this is the hangout that we have. But as you can see, this is just yesterday. And my internet's a bit slow this morning, but if you give it a second, let it load. As you can see, even if I just go to photos, okay, and you look at timeline photos of Justin, you'll see that there are, these are from last year. So let's look at timeline, sorry. So we'll scroll down. And again, trading, right? March 12th, guys, trading. Another one, video, video, video. These are him talking about it, but in general, this is somebody giving a story on icoinpro itself. Okay, We got our weekly webinars that come out. But if you scroll down and you see this page says more than enough results, again, another results. 4%, 0.4% in the day. More. We're pretty active, guys, and as you can see, we know what we're doing, and we know here again, another result. Ba-da-dum, you know, ba-da-dum, more. I can go on and I can scroll down and show you the whole of March. See this? This person has gone full time in the micro profit system. So it is definitely possible, especially in this kind of another full-time day trader, you know, see, and it's a bear market in these days, but the person is still getting results. So what I would suggest for you to do is the good thing that we have in icoinpro is also the trade finder itself. Now the trade finder does a few things. I want to show you just very briefly the trade finder. It finds trades for you on Poloniex, Binance, GDAX, and Bitrex. You can literally it's just awesome because it gives you live results of what imagine. Okay, I'm just gonna put and show you guys. If I put on all these on, you have heaps and heaps and heaps and heaps of potential trades that you can make throughout the day. This is just now 7 minutes. Okay, this is live, so you're not gonna find this one even like if you go or log on later. This is right now. Okay, and then we have a new tool which is called RSI Spy, which you will learn about in one of the modules right here. But these are giving also potential trades that I can make a profit on in a market that it is as it is today. Okay, so that's why I'm suggesting, guys, if you do want to understand more about what it is to become a trader and even do it part-time like myself. I am not a full-time trader at the moment. I'm doing it part-time, but I see the value in it. So it's a skill set that is going to be beneficial for you, especially in bear market like this. You can have 5, 6, 10, 20 trades per day and make a 1% profit on a daily basis if you have the consistency and the work ethic for you to do it. Okay, so this is my suggestion for you. Check out the micro profit system. Check out how you can literally earn more in cryptocurrency and Bitcoin during a bear market. Have a great day. My name is David Pinto. Click on the subscribe button if you did enjoy the content, and if you want to get in touch with me in terms of trading, because I work personally with everyone who joins me in icoinpro, because it is my primary business and I definitely take care of you because you are in icoinpro. Okay, so the link is in the description. We'll just take you to a quick video on sorry, the micro profit system. Check it out and get in touch with me. Okay, I'm gonna see you on the next video, guys.